beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabra and I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my first video of 2021. And I think this will be a really fun one to share with you guys because this is my first experience with dermaplaning. So I actually got a couple of different types of razors and tools to use, and this is something I've been wanting to do because I do have a lot of peach fuzz and I just want my skin to look more radiant and flawless, and I also want my makeup application to be seamless. And so I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to do this, and I've also talked to some of my girlfriends who personally do this, and I highly recommend it. So I thought, hey, why not give it a shot? And why not share it with the rest of the YouTube world, my first experience with dermaplaning, okay? So no judgment, no harsh comments, because I've never done this before. It's solely based off of what I've learned on YouTube and the tips and tricks that I've learned from my girlfriends who actually do this, okay? So let me show you a couple of items. This item right here I actually got in the Dirty Santa game that we played with my family, which we play every year. I don't know if you guys play that, but it's so fun. Basically, you can steal people's gifts, and it's a lot of fun. And so this is the one I actually selected, and I was really excited about it because it is a facial exfoliator and hair remover tool. It's a little razor and it has like a light on it, and it's going to do the job. And it also has 6 replacement heads, okay? So this is like pretty fancy to me. It even tells you how to do dermaplaning at home. Love that. And then a while back, I had actually purchased on Amazon some of the Tinkle eyebrow razors, which a lot of people use to dermaplane their face. I've heard mixed reviews about these on the videos I've watched. I've heard some people use them and love them. I've heard some people don't recommend them. So today I'm not going to use this one, but I do have like 12 of these. So I wanted to use my new dermaplane tool. I mean, this seems pretty fancy. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. And I do know I learned a lot in the videos I did watch, okay? So I've already showered, cleansed my skin. I don't have any moisturizer or anything on right now. They recommend that you do this on dry skin. If you have damp skin, it can increase your chances of nicking or cutting yourself. And I'm sorry girls, but I don't want that. I don't want that. So my skin is just naturally dried, you know, over time. So I'm going to go ahead and start dermaplaning my face. And then after, I'll show you guys what I'm going to use to hydrate my skin and to soothe that skin, because you know you did just exfoliate and remove some dead skin as well as removing that peach fuzz. Okay, so I'm going to open my new tool. My hair looks crazy. It's so crazy. I haven't fixed it yet, but you know, I had to just hop on here. Okay, so here's what it looks like. When you open it, there's a little battery. We gotta put the battery in the tool. This is real life. Okay, so the battery's in it. There's the light feature. That is so cool. Dermaplaning is great to remove that dead skin cell layer because I don't know about you guys, but I naturally have really dry skin anyway, but especially in the winter, our skin gets so much drier. So this is gonna be great for that. Okay, so I'm about to do this, but what I have learned with my research is, number 1, do this on dry skin. Number 2, do small feather-like strokes in a downward motion. And 3, you're going to hold your razor or tool at a 45-degree angle, which is basically slightly slanted. So here we go. Oh, and also in areas like, you know, the side of your face, like my fuzzy is like, I'm a really fuzzy person, let's be honest. But you want to kind of hold the skin and make it tight if, you know, you're in areas that could be a little bit trickier to get to. And that is what. Not gonna lie to y'all, I'm a little bit intimidated by this, but we're gonna give it a go. Oh my gosh, I can see some peach fuzzies. Oh, can you guys see that? Oh yeah, they're up against sweater. You see that fuzzy? That is coming off my face. They say as you get more comfortable with this, oh, my skin feels so soft already. As you get more comfortable with it, you can do it a lot quicker, but I'm gonna go slow because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I've done this one cheek and I can totally feel and see a difference. Like, it's crazy. And I have a little bit of a peach fuzzy mustache, so I'm really excited to tackle that area. So excited about that. Okay, you guys, I started on the other side. Look, fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. That is definitely where I have most of my fuzz, is like on the outside of my face. My makeup is about to look on another level. This is insanity. Why haven't I done this sooner? I'm scared of this. You guys, my fuzzy peach mustache, peach fuzzy mustache, whatever. That mustache is gone. It's gone. In all the research, they said that the nose can be tricky, to be careful with that. A lot of people will say that for last. But I've done both my cheeks, my chin, and right there above my lip. So I'm gonna go to my forehead next. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of flakiness removed there. I don't know if I'm really fuzzy there. Compared to down here, it doesn't seem as bad. But I feel like I'll have a lot of dry spots. Not so fuzzy. I can see, like, this is weird, but as I'm doing this, I can see like flakes coming down like in front of my eyes. That's really weird. This might be one of the most satisfying things ever, to like watch and to feel what it's doing to your skin. It's amazing. Now I've just got like my nose, and I actually have a dry patch like right here. So I'm interested to see how it goes. I'm gonna get close for this. Not gonna get too crazy with the nose area just because I don't have a lot of hair there anyway. But also, being the first time I do this, I don't want to like cut myself. It's a little tricky there. So I did have that little dry patch. It kind of removed that. So that's really nice. This might be a no-duh thought, like, come on, Sabra. But whenever I was doing my forehead, it was really nice to get in around my eyebrows to like help shape those a little bit, because there's a lot of peach fuzz that hangs out around your eyebrows, right? So this allows me to kind of shape those up a little bit and clean them up. Love that. So I'm finished with the tool as far as that goes. My skin feels really smooth, which my skin always feels really soft anyway, just because I exfoliate and all that regularly. But it feels different, a different type of smooth, like, you know, when you shave your legs, that type of smooth, really, really nice. So overall, this tool, I would recommend it. It's a really great tool. It's easy to use. I think that once I get a little bit more comfortable with it, it won't take me near as long to do this, but I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do now is share with you guys how to care for your skin after doing an at-home dermaplaning treatment, because it's really important to kind of nourish and repair that skin. Because if you did have any redness or irritation just from like, you know, maybe you pushed a little too hard, or, you know, maybe you cut your skin a little bit, but you really don't have to push hard at all with this. But in the event that you did, you might experience a little bit of redness or irritation. So we want to prevent that, of course, and we want to give our skin all the nutrients and moisture that it needs. So I have a couple of products that I'm going to apply to my skin to help with that, and these are things I use every day anyway. But I'm going to start with my Replenishing Vitamin C Serum. So you want to put serums on directly to the skin before you apply a moisturizer because they are highly concentrated, especially with something like a vitamin C serum that's going to go in and brighten your skin. It's going to strengthen your skin. It's also going to fight against the environment to prevent aging. So we're all about that, aren't we? This is a new bottle because I just ran out of my other one. So and that is my vitamin C serum, okay? So next what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mix two things together, and that is my naturally oil, which has a lot of great natural ingredients. This is my favorite thing during the winter, hands down, this is my favorite product in the winter. It's also great to put in your hair, on your cuticles, and any other dry patches of skin that you may have on various parts of your body. I'm going to mix it with my daytime moisturizer. This daytime moisturizer does have an SPF of 30 built into it already, which wearing a daily SPF is key, and that's really important, especially after doing a dermaplaning treatment. So I'm going to get my moisturizer and add in a couple drops of my oil, just so that way they can mix in together and work simultaneously, and it kind of saves me a step, you know. So I just apply a little bit of moisturizer to my hand. And then I'll add a drop or two of this, just for some added. And then the last thing I'm going to do, my eye cream. Okay, so this is going to hydrate that skin around your eyes. It's also going to brighten dark under eye circles. And the key with this is to tap. This was my first time dermaplaning. I think overall it was a great success. So let me know what tips and tricks you have if this is something you do and what that looks like for you with your routine. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you want to check out my channel for future reference, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you are alerted every single time I post a video right here on my channel. A great rest of your day, and thanks for dropping by.